Early today, and hundreds of civil society demonstrators poured into the streets, protesting the closure of Citizen TV, Inoro TV, NTV and KTN News. Police lobbing tear gas canisters to disperse the demonstrators from the CBD.
The government of Kenya, or the Jubilee government, is considering law as a nuisance, and they are not following any law as we know it today. They push Kenyans to obey the law. The government itself does not obey court orders.
This adding to the pressure on the government to reinstate the broadcasts and respect the rule of law. Earlier in a tweet Monday, US Ambassador Gov't urged the government to allow TV stations to reopen as free media is essential to democracy. Gov't further urging the state to adhere to the constitution and to respect the rule of law. The TV stations had been switched off by the Communications Authority as ordered by Cabinet Secretary of Interior Fred Matiang'i, who was opposed to live coverage of Raila Odinga's swearing-in on 30th January. According to Matiang'i, the swearing-in ceremony was an attempt to subvert a legally constituted government. The CS saying media had been briefed on the state of affairs but chose to disregard the warning.
We have commenced a wide-scale investigation targeting individuals and organizations who include but may not be limited to certain media houses. We will act decisively but strictly according to the law.
As the stalemate continued, word spread that police were planning to arrest 3 Nation media journalists, including Linus Kaikai, Larry Madowo and Ken Mijungu. The 3 moved to court barring their arrest with a promise to record a statement at the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. The police have, however, cleared the 3 of any wrongdoing.
We've been met by a very courteous and professional team of DCI officials who informed us that we do not have any case to answer. They have not received any report from any police station about any alleged offense that we have committed, and that they did not require us at this time.
The journalists will report back to court on Thursday. For 5 days, the government had defied court orders obtained by Royal Media Services and activist Okiya Omtata. This prompting Royal Media Services through lawyer Gibson Kamau Kuria to write to Chief Justice David Maraga, urging that Attorney General Githu Muigai, Cabinet Secretaries Jomo Shero of ICT and Fred Matiang'i of Interior, Communications Authority of Kenya and Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet be held in contempt of court. On the other hand, Omtata filed contempt of court proceedings against state officials. Mombi Waroe, Monday Special.